guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have lipstick on my teeth. Hot mess. How you start your video out being a hot mess? That's why I don't really like wearing red lipstick, because it seemed like red just gravitates to your teeth for some reason. I could be wearing any color, any other color, and it's not gonna get all over my teeth. But trust and believe, if I have on a red lipstick, it's gonna be all over my teeth. Anyway, if I get lipstick on my teeth, y'all just gonna have to ignore it, okay? Because I ain't filming this over. Anywho, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I really wanted to use one of my Kolorful palettes to create a bright, colorful look. I know, big surprise, right? I'm gonna do some more neutral looks soon, I promise. But yes, I wanted to do something a little bright and colorful. My daughter actually sent me a picture of a look that she wanted me to do, and this is fairly close to the picture. I just didn't use as bright a yellow on my lid. I did orange instead of a bright yellow because I wanted to just use one palette, and I didn't have a bright yellow in the palette I'm using today. So anywho, I know you know from the title already which palette I am using today. It is my Sephora Pro, and this is the Editorial Palette. This palette is gorgeous, you guys. I love it. I had a lot of fun playing with it today, and the colors are extremely pigmented. The shadows are really pigmented. One thing I will say about like the bright oranges, because they're so bright and colorful, I think they're a little chalky, but you can definitely get the pigment out of these shadows. I didn't have a problem with pigment. I had a problem with just fallout and chalkiness, but I was able to work it out, you guys. So anywho, I love this palette. I love how it performs. As you can see, the colors in here are absolutely beautiful. And if any of you guys know me, you know that I was over here. I was gravitating over there, and I said, nope, you gonna do something different today. So that's what I did. I did a little something different today, okay? It's not blue, all right? I know I got a little blue on there, but whatever. So anyway, yes, I'm using my Sephora Pro Editorial Palette to create this look today. I don't want this video to be crazy long. I'll do a few swatches for you guys. I'm not gonna swatch the whole palette just because of the fact that I don't want this video to be crazy long. And I just want to give you an idea of the shadows in this palette, okay? So I'll just do a few swatches for you, just so you can see the serious pigmentation in this palette, okay? Serious. Okay, so I'll swatch a few of the shimmers also. So that's just a few swatches from this palette, just so you can get an idea of the shades and the color and pigment in this palette. Okay, let me do a few of the darker shades also, so you can see how those swatch. I'll put those here. So those are some of the darker shades in this palette. So as you can see, the pigmentation on this palette is really off the charts. That's why I love it so much. So anywho, if you'd like to see how I created this look today, stay tuned, because it's coming up next.